My name is Christian Ritter. I'm 23 years old, and I'm from the US, and I study architecture. At Morph, I'm an architectural intern, and usually that means that I make plans, sections, and diagrams for presentations and competitions. What I've learned here at Morph is that this particular work environment is super collaborative. For example, if there's a program you don't know right off the bat, they're more than willing to help you and show you the ropes so that not only the project gets done, but you take away those valuable skills for later on in your life. My favorite things are the architecture, of course, especially in the historic places like El Centro and La Latina. A typical day for me after work is taking the metro, which I've gotten really used to really quickly, going home and cooking because food is much cheaper in Madrid than where I'm from. On the weekends though, I like to walk to as many places as possible because this city was made for walking, and it's really a pleasure every time that I go out to see all the architecture, all the people, and all the stores and everything that you can get your hands on, really. It's perfect. I think the most important thing about being in the program is to be open, not only to the new culture and adapting as well as you can, but to everyone you meet, your other interns, your co-workers, because everyone has something new to teach you and a new way of looking at things that you may not have thought of before. My advice to future interns is to do as much research as you can before you get here, and if you have a question, just ask. And if you're coming to Madrid, be easygoing, enjoy life, and enjoy everything the city has to offer, because it's why you're here.